Alright guys, I am the Abundant Alchemist, trying something new here. Just got a new computer. Um, Let me just... Alright, we're recording. Today is, I believe it's Thursday. It's the 21st of January. Let's get into it. Hope you guys are doing well. Please like, share, and subscribe if you are getting value from all of my videos. Today we are short-term bearish on both Ethereum and Bitcoin. You see that candle right there is pointing down. There is some level of support that we've broken right here at this Fibonacci level. So Bitcoin looks like it will be hitting 31, 30, 29, between 29 to 28 level as time goes by. Let's take a look at the charts here so I can show you guys. See this these patterns, this kind of M pattern that it's forming, that's pretty bearish. I'm using this indicator here. That red dot is showing that we will be dipping lower on this 4-hour chart. We have another hour to complete this 4-hour chart. Let's go into the daily chart. As you can see, we are also looking bearish. And if I open the weekly chart, you will see again, we're just getting started with this red dot here showing that we will be dipping deeper into this Fibonacci level. And we have some resistance here, maybe at the 30. We want to hold. I would say we want to hold, preferably not dip below the 30, but we may be scraping into the 29, 28 level. Nothing to really be too concerned about. If you are an investor, don't worry about it if you have a 9 to 5 and you got into Bitcoin, cryptocurrency in general for your future. Nothing really to get out of bed for. Just hold steady. We will be bouncing back. After all, we are in a bull market. When I say we are bearish, it is only short term. So do not panic. I did make a video yesterday, and I was talking about how I was selling pretty much all of my Bitcoin and Ethereum because I saw what was happening, also mixed in with the inauguration and the whole uncertainty. I'm not going to get political here, not today, but we see what's going on. Actually, I am going to get a little bit political because I did not mention yesterday Janet Yellen, who is a Treasury nominee under the Biden administration. She's an economist from Yale. Okay, let me pull this stuff up here for you just so. Janet Yellen, right? And this lovely lady here. She is an economist from Yale, talking about how she had a particular concern and how Bitcoin is used mainly for illicit financing, causing a lot of fear, pretty much, and uncertainty, disinformation, and that may also have a lot to do with this dip in price. Because people are emotional and they panic when they hear these words being told by our government. Pretty much the Federal Reserve is doing a horrible job, right? And they're just patching things up, putting band-aids on gaping wounds that need to be just stitched up and really healed. But they don't want to go through the pain of that, right? And each government administration just keeps kicking the can down the road. They don't want to be the ones to say, hey guys, these next 4 years are going to suck. bizolves, and you guys are just gonna have to be on a tight budget for these next 4 years. We're just gonna have to suck it up and really fix this debt problem, right? Nobody's wanted to do that. No, why? Why do we want to do that when we could just print money and act like everything is okay? So that's where we are. But because there's a limited quantity of Bitcoin, they really could only affect this market in the short term. You know, lovely little lady. But moving on, since about 5 a.m., you know, we've been seeing $1,230 for Ethereum. Let me come back to the Ethereum chart here. And it seems we are at 1277. So we have been bouncing back a little bit. It seems 1250. Are my numbers right? 1250. Yeah, we were at 1230 about 5 a.m. We have support at 1137. That's a crucial place to be in. 1137. Let me just take a look here. 11. Where does 1137 take us on this chart? You know what? Let me do this here. Boom. 1130. Let's just say around there. That is a crucial point. If you could see this line right here, 1137 is a crucial line. So we may dip below this one level, second level. If we bounce back from 1137 here, it may be off to the races. 1137. If we bounce from this level right here and go up, it may be off to the races for Ethereum. Just letting you guys know. Bitcoin, when I got up at 5, was at 32. Let me just pull up there we go, XLM. Bitcoin, I got up, was at like 32,706, just about here. We have dipped and we seem to have bounced back a little. But I wouldn't be too I wouldn't get in back. You know, this is gonna like bounce back, and then like we see the trend, right? Look, okay, green dot, go up and down. No, oh, green dot, go up and down. So we're just having lower lows and lower highs for the most part. See, we had a high here, lower high, lower high. Oh, we went up and then lower high. So that is short-term bearish, really. You know, and just in case you guys are curious, yes, I am using TradingView, right? That's what I use to take a look. And this particular setup, I know looks crazy. This is just what works for me. I know what all these things mean, and I kind of use everything in conjunction to kind of understand and make the call. This here, this line, this red box, is called a Fibonacci sequence. Let me see if I could kind of. Oh, whatever. I wanted to clear it just to show you guys. Now, all these lines, they all mean something, you know. But anyway, Ren is up 2 cents. I did advise you guys that to kind of have your portfolio well diversified. You don't want to have correlated assets. to Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Ren has been doing quite well, right? Look at that. I'm going to go into, let's get into the weekly chart. Just look at that spike. All right, look at that. Just every day, boom, 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 going up on a Tuesday. But it's not Tuesday. All right, let's open this up. So Ren is at 72 cents. Look at that. So I told my friends and family, you know, this is what I'm doing with my money. Maybe you'd like to join the party, right? Ren, VeChain, both good assets to have, especially when Ethereum and Bitcoin is looking bearish. Now, I'm still going to hold Ren and VeChain even if Ethereum and Bitcoin go up, because these are good projects and you should look into them, do your own research. Anchor is pending entering Coinbase. I haven't seen Anchor. It's on Binance too? Okay. Binance, because somebody said Coinbase. Okay, Anchor. Anchor is another project that I've been told is quite good. I have to look into it. I don't think I have any positions in Anchor. Right now it's at about a penny. But yeah, that's really all I got. What I would suggest right now, and this is not financial advice, I'm just telling you what I'm doing with my money. Okay, Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic also correlated with Anchor. BAT, Basic Attention Token, also correlated with Anchor. All good investments at this time, especially now since it's dipped. We were pretty much at about, at one time we were like at $12, I think, in Ethereum Classic. I did a transfer from, and just a heads up, guys, if you ever want to transfer Ethereum Classic from like your Binance to Coinbase or to any other platform, it takes so damn long. I was waiting like 2 weeks because I wanted to cash out and I couldn't transfer my fiat from one platform to another. And so I converted my cash into, I saw Ethereum was down and I saw that it was going to go back up. And I'm like, all right, I'll use this and I'll transfer it. Took me 2 weeks. By the time, I think I sent it at about like $7. By the time, there's the Fibonacci. I'm going to erase that. By the time that I received it, so I got it at about like this. By the time that I received it, it was already like, so I bought it like around here. By the time I received it, this was happening. Which was cool, but I wanted my money. I wanted my damn money. So I had to figure out something else and I got my money anyway, but I ended up selling at a nice profit. And now here we are at $7.42. But as you can see, 2018, wow, 45 bucks plus, 40 bucks plus. So Ethereum Classic, maybe something to look into for yourselves. Okay, what else do I want to get into? Look, this is what I've been telling you guys. Token metrics. This is what token metrics does for you. You see, like if I'm an investor, I take a look at the pie chart. It tells me pretty much what to do. You know, it's really cool. Not only that, but then you could look at, That's indices. Ratings, you could look at coins, right? And it gives you price predictions, you know, what it's been doing for the last 24 hours. It's loading. It's kind of slow sometimes. And then you go into Bitcoin, it's going to probably say it's horrible right now. Oh, this thing is slow. It's not even my computer. I didn't want Chainlink. So Chainlink overall is looking poor. Maybe a good time to get in, right? Maybe a good time to catch yourself some. Well, it's 1982. Maybe you want to wait a little bit till it dips some more. Let's see the month. I didn't even want to talk about Chainlink right now, but let's take a look at Bitcoin. That's what I really wanted to show you guys. Bah, 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 bah. Yeah, horrible. And then you could see how it was about a week ago, about a month ago. It was all good just a week ago. And now we're at 56. So yeah, we're going to dip some more. So see, I pretty much just add one thing with another and then I make the call. But so look, I am taking some money out of my crypto portfolio. I will be placing it into other assets. Just want to let you guys know. Korea, they're in a good financial spot right now. So I'm just going to get into some like alternative types of investments that you could look into. Korea has a lot of good positioning with their trade. What am I looking for here? Korean stocks, maybe? Korean stocks to buy now. To buy 2021. I haven't even looked into this. So I'm just doing, you're seeing this real time. South Korea had their best year. More. Let's see. CNBC. What is CNBC saying? January 3rd. Had their best year in more than a decade in 2020. Here's what drove them higher. So maybe you want to look into this. You know, maybe we want to invest in the KOSPI index. Look, it rallied 30% last year. And the reason why I'm looking at this is because they are positioned well. There's a lot of countries in that area that have sanctions. And Korea got their ish together. Another thing I'm looking at is copper. You may laugh, right? Ha, copper. The hell? That's a cheap metal, right? But if you know anything about electric vehicles, they use a lot of copper per vehicle. So, besides my silver stacking, I bought a couple of ounces of copper last year. And then look, this is happening. Copper, I believe manganese and nickel are all used for electric vehicles. Price prediction 2021. This video is getting long, huh? Market is better like a half 20, like sustainable for likely price below current average. Oh, okay, that's what they're saying. I don't buy it. I don't buy it. Um, Grayscale, if you want to invest in crypto but are not too like into learning all these new things, which I mean, I advise you to do it the quote unquote harder way and actually learn about this crypto space. But very interesting, Grayscale is offering Bitcoin Trust, Bitcoin Cash Trust, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic Trust, Litecoin Trust. So they are, look at all this, damn. Who are you? What do you want? What's your name? What time did you get up? All products. Let's see. This is a way to invest in crypto. Here we go. This is what I wanted to show you guys. See, this is how much they are holding in the millions for each asset. And they've been doing this since 2013. But you didn't hear about this in 2013. Bet you did not hear about this, right? But yeah, look into it if you want. Prices are pretty low to get in on each one. Nothing like the actual crypto prices because it's not the it's like ETFs, I think. They're derivatives, I believe. That's what they call them. I don't know. I'm getting hungry. I haven't even had breakfast. I'm gonna wrap this up, man. Hope this gives you guys some